Andy Cox, who chairs the energy sector in KPMG, was chairing the opening session this morning on digital. It's not just about the technology. One of the big themes that I think came out from today was actually about how executive teams need to embrace culture and the changes in the operating model and about mindsets within the business to drive these changes. We've had a big phase of experimentation about digitalisation, but what we're seeing now is moving to a phase of really investing in where is the value from these investments. So being value driven and performance led rather than technology led. And I think that's a shift that we're now starting to see in the sector.